Today we're in Bewdley, the home of West Midlands Safari Park. We're here to see a magnificent property. Let's take a look. Welcome to Grove Farmhouse. This is a property that's going to drive you wild. Let me show you why. This large kitchen dining room is a real focal point to this property. It's perfect for entertaining family and friends. Once you've finished entertaining your guests, why not come and sit and relax in your light and airy sitting room in front of the log-burning stove? On a beautiful summer's day, you could open these bifold doors from this large orangery out onto the patio seating area. This property offers 4 bedrooms spread over 2 floors. This huge master bedroom has its own ensuite. The other bedrooms are serviced by this magnificent family bathroom. Why not book your viewing at Grove Farmhouse? While you're here, make a day of it and visit West Midlands Safari Park.